This is T10 automotive 12 volt LED bulb. It comes in multicolors. So I will make the one LED string using that T10 LED bulbs. Here is the holder for T10. It's look like that. The bulb can easily fix inside. The short leg is positive, the long one is negative. I will use the wire stripper. It's easy to peel the wire. Use the thick DC cable. The positive is red, negative is black, and peel the wire from little distance and together them. Hang the all bulbs and holders. And now we will do soldering here, and after soldering we will do the insulation here, and we will also cover the holes of the holder using the glue from the rain, from the moist, from the dust. Benefit of T10 is just easily can replace. So I completely insulated, and let's check it. This is the T10 and that is the ordinary. The ordinary brightness and the T10 definitely have a very big difference. The color temperature and the visibility is amazing. You can see the visibility from far. Definitely T10 is win, and the ordinary feels like nothing. DIY T10 wins.